Okay, so today we are actually coming with revisions of GCE Economics Advanced Level GCE 2024. That is June. So I'm going to show you all the questions and answers so that you'll be able to have a proper revision. So when you come to your papers, make sure that you fill center number, center name, candidate number, candidate name. Very important, because if you miss out this, you have already failed your exams. So once you have all of these, you have to move on. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, because we have a lot of revisions on this channel. We have ordinary level, we have advanced level. So right now, let's dive into it. Question number one, it says economics is a study of. So economics is a study of. The correct answer for this number one is C, the choices we make because of scarcity. So economics is a study of the choices we make because of scarcity. So the correct answer is C. Question number two. Based on the figure below, clothes 15, unity, units of food 45. The opportunity cost of 1 unit of food is. The correct answer for this is D, 15 units of cloth. 15 units of clothes. So the correct answer is D. Now let's go to the next one, which is that which of the following best summarizes the main difference between command and free market economics. The correct answer for this is C. Free market economics promotes private ownership of resources, unlike command economics. 4. One reason why the free market fails to achieve an optimal allocation of scarce resources is because. So why does a free market fails to allocate these optimal resources? The correct answer is B. There is underproduction of goods with positive externalities. Question 5. Question 5 is based on table below, which shows changes in the size of a firm and its output. Now, the correct answer for 5 is A, which is economics of scale. Economics of scale. Yes, the correct answer. 6. Occupational mobility of labor can be limited by. So, how can occupational mobility of labor be limited? 6. The correct answer is D. Differences in natural ability. Which of the following is an internal source of finance for a firm? The correct answer for 7th is B, which is retained profit. So this is the internal source of finance for firms, retained profit B. Question number 8. One benefit of division of labor is. The correct answer is D, a fall in the average cost of production. So this is the one benefit of the division of labor. Question number 9. Which of the following constitutes the most risky investment in a company? The correct answer is B, debentures. So debentures constitute the most risky investment in a company. Which of the following factors is an example of positive checks in the Malthusian theory of population? The correct answer for number 10 is B, which is cholera outbreaks. So we're finished with the first paper, first chapter. Let's move to the chapter 3. 11th, dependency ratio is the ratio of the. Correct answer for 11th is A, young and old to working age people. Black markets are likely to develop from a correct answer is A, which is minimum price legislation. 13. Identify the good whose demand falls with a rise income level. Identify the good whose demand falls with a rise in income level. So what is a good? The correct answer for 13 is B, inferior. Why does a normal supply curve for a good slope upwards from left to right? The correct answer for 14 is A. Supply increases following increases in demand. 15. If the elasticity of supply is greater than the elasticity of demand, the correct answer is A. The incidence of a tax is more on the buyer. So if the incidence of the tax is more on the buyer, elasticity of supply is greater than demand. Okay. Let's go to question number 16. It says that question 16 is based on figure below. So here is the figure they give us. It says which of the following combinations will give maximum satisfaction to the consumer? The correct answer for 16 is A, which is L. So as you can look at the diagram, this is the L. This is what will give maximum satisfaction for the consumer, because you can see it going sloping already down. It's sloping down. Okay. 17. Which of the following will definitely cause a fall in the equilibrium price? The correct answer for 17 is B, which is a fall in demand combined with an increase in supply. So we are going to go now to the next chapter, which is 4. Question 18 is based on table 2 below, which concerns a firm operating in a perfectly competitive market and which has an average fixed cost of 120 francs. When the firm sells 5 units of output, its total revenue is 275 million francs. Other information about the firm is as follows on the table 2 below. At which level of output is average variable cost 25 francs? The correct answer for the 18 is C, which is 3 units. So it's at 3 units here that average variable cost is 25 francs. 19. Price rigidity is a feature of oligopoly and can be as a result of B. Market interdependence. The practice of charging low prices with the intention of forcing out existing competitors from the industry is known as. So you say, why do people charge low prices? Okay. So why do they charge low prices of goods? To force lower competitors out of the market. A. Predatory prices. So they're acting like predators. 21. The characteristics of free entry and exit in the perfect market. The correct answer for 21 is C, which is enables firms break even in the long run. The first, the supply price of entrepreneur refers to. The correct answer for this is A, which is the rent of ability. So the phrase, the supply price of entrepreneurship refers to rent of ability. 23. Pilots are highly paid because they have to undergo a long period of training. As an explanation of wage determination, this statement is B, true. because a person who undertakes a long period of training deserves a high reward. 24. Factor earnings that even though supplies in the short run are just enough to prevent the factor from moving elsewhere in the long run are described as 24 is A. Transfer endings. So this is the correct answer. Table 3 below shows the demand and supply of money in an economy. So you can look at the table here. It says, suppose the supply of money is 50,000 francs. 50,000 francs. Determine the equilibrium rate of interest. The correct answer for this is B, which is 6%. This is it here, 6%. Question 26 is based on the table below showing changes in GDP and population over two periods, 2010 and 2015. Figures are in millions and the base year is 2010. What is the percentage increase in the real GDP per capita between 2010 and 2015? Correct answer for 26 is B, which is 15%. The difference between factor cost and market price is, the correct answer for 27 is D, indirect taxes. Why are intermediate goods not included in the calculation of national income? C, to avoid double accounting. Which of the following represents an injection into the circular flow of income? The correct answer for 29 is D, investment. 30. An increase in investment spending of 400 billion francs leads to the following chain of increases in total spending. Figures in billion francs CFA: 400 plus 320 plus 256 plus. What is the value of the multiplier? The value of the multiplier is A, 0.8. This question is based on table 5 below. So here is the table. Then they ask us, if the value of the accelerator is 2, this is it here. New investment in period 3 will be, answer 31 is D, which will be 400 million francs. 32 says that the principle which explains the fact that an attempt to increase savings in an economy may lead to a fall in total savings in an economy is known as the correct answer is A, paradox of thrift. For an open economy without government, the equilibrium condition is 33A. Savings plus imports equals investment plus exports. 34. A high marginal propensity to consume, everything being equal, implies a, correct answer for 34 is D, high marginal tax rate. The function of money which enables an individual to obtain a mobile telephone now and make payment at the end of the month is called A, store of value. Which of the following is the most profitable asset of a commercial bank? So they asked us that which one is the most profitable asset of a commercial bank. The correct answer is A, balances at the central bank. So this is the correct answer. 37. Suppose a bank has no excess reserves. When someone deposits 100,000 francs, giving a cash ratio of 10%, the bank will then be able to lend D, up to 90,000 francs. The next page. Who benefits the most during an inflationary period? Correct answer is A, creditors. How much will a citizen with a taxation income of 70,400 francs pay as tax with a tax rate of 5%? The correct answer for 39 is C, 3,500 and 3,520 francs. Okay? Crowding out occurs when the government B increases its borrowing and drives down private sector spending. 41. The main issue about the real body the main issue about the real burden of national debt is understanding. Correct answer of 41 is B, the idea of opportunity cost. Which of the following is an automatic stabilizer? 42. Correct answer is B, proportional tax. Which of the following forms of economic integration deals with the free export and import of factors of production? The correct answer of 43 is A, common market. Question 44 is based on table C below, showing the quantity of exports and imports. So we have exports, we have imports, we have the years. Now the question goes, it says the value of the terms of trade for this country in 2018 is, the correct answer for 44 is D, which is 125. Which of the following barriers on foreign trade is a source of government revenue? Correct answer for 45 is A, which is tariffs. So tariffs is the barriers of foreign trade, a source of income of government revenue. Out of the following, identify an expenditure reducing measure of correcting a balance payment disequilibrium. The correct answer for 46 is A, which is devaluation. If a country, so we say the correct answer for this is devaluation, right? If a country is operating within the production possibilities frontier, it means 47 is A, which is some resources are idle. Some resources are idle is the correct answer, which is A. Developing countries generally face the problems of low per capita income. And correct answer for 48 is B, slow GNP growth rate. Now let's go to 49. It says depression in a business cycle should be accompanied by, so the depression of a business cycle should be accompanied by, the correct answer of 49 is B, the highest rate of increase in the price. The highest rate of increase in the price. So is the correct answer for this 49. Okay, now let's move to the next one, which says that what is the most likely short-run effect on a country if it abolishes its import tariffs? The rate of, so what would be the short-run effect if a country abolishes import tariffs? The correct answer for 50 is B, inflation rises. So if a country abolishes import tariffs, the country is going to have, the country goes to have an increase in inflation. So here is the correct answer. So this is it. So when you have done revising, you have done it, go back and check your work just as it said here. So if you are finished, make sure you check your work. So yeah guys, so this is actually the revision for GCE paper 1 economics advanced level 2024, that is last year. So you can actually you can share this with other students so that they might benefit from this revision. You can share it on WhatsApp forums. You can share it on Facebook so that other students can get in touch with these revisions. So you can also subscribe. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe because I come with revisions for all GC students, history, geography, and we have also biology. Okay, so we are looking into other subjects to bring into play. So we have history, economics, geography, and other subjects. So make sure that you run through our YouTube channel to see all the revisions that we have for you, so that you can actually prepare yourself very well for your GCE that you'll be writing this year. So I wish you success as we look into paper two for this.